Welcome to Versatile Equipments, where innovation meets granular precision.
This is a precision equipment to measure permeability of foundry sands. By default, it can measure absolute permeability of standard green sand specimens. With the help of an attachment, it can also measure absolute permeability of cores and relative permeability of moulds. Let's see how to set up the equipment. Remove the air drum from the water drum. Close the air pipe with your finger and fill demineralized water up to the mark W. Adjust the air pressure to 2 bar. Now we check the calibration of the equipment. Long press the function button to proceed. Follow the calibration procedure as shown in the video. To verify calibration, test the permeability of a known specimen. Now the equipment is all set for testing sand. Take the pre-made sand specimen along with the specimen tube and attach it to the rubber bows, as shown in the video. Press start. The drum automatically rises and tests the specimen on its own. The permeability number will be displayed on the screen. Finally, let's see how to change the water in the water drum. Lift the water drum manually and remove the water with the help of a siphon tube, as shown in the video.